Cosplaying can seem really overwhelming. It is so much more than just putting on a costume, and there are endless skills that you can learn, from armor building to sewing to embroidery to wig styling. But if you just want to get into your first cosplay already, or you're not sure if you're even going to enjoy cosplaying and you just want to try it out without investing tons of money or hours and hours of building a skill you might not even want to have or you might not even need if you decide not to cosplay, here is how I got started as a broke college student with no crafting skills whatsoever. I have been cosplaying since 2020 and I'm just gonna come right out and say it. I barely know how to use a sewing machine. So how do I cosplay? Buy stuff? Sure, I have bought some pieces, but buying entire outfits is really expensive and, well, I'm a broke college student. No, the easiest way to get started is closet cosplay. Oh, listen, if you're just getting started, I would let go of the idea that your first cosplay has to be 100% accurate and 100% perfect. That is a lot of pressure to put onto yourself, and cosplay should be fun. Cosplay means costume play, emphasis on the play, okay? So, what is closet cosplay? Basically, it means that you use what you already have in your closet. The cosplays that I'm wearing in this video are all compiled of things that I have had in my closet. Bonus points if you can guess them all. They are all book cosplays. But what if the clothes I have aren't right for the cosplay that I want to do? Personally, I would say that it doesn't have to be 100% accurate, but I understand the concern. Again, I would advocate for not putting that kind of pressure onto yourself for your very first cosplay. You also cosplay book characters. That is true, and in many ways that makes closet cosplay a lot easier. But here are some tips to help you spruce up your closet cosplay. Also, let me know if you want like a full video on how to closet cosplay. Layers can make an outfit seem better fitting for the genre or the period of time or the mood that you want it to fit. Depending on how you combine your outfit, you can really change the feeling of the clothes. Accessories. Little details can have a big impact. Just imagine Frodo without his ring. Yeah, no. He does not look happy. No, he really doesn't. Makeup. Makeup can really help you shift from looking like yourself to embodying your cosplay character. From freckles to scars to sharper cheekbones or different colored eyebrows, there's a lot you can do. You can also find a lot of really cool clothing, relatively cheap or secondhand online. Let me know if you also want a video on that. If you're really lucky, you can also find entire cosplay secondhand online, which is a lot cheaper than buying them firsthand. Don't get me wrong, I do want to learn skills like armor building in the future. But you don't have to have all of these highly specific skills to get started. I didn't have any of those skills. And remember, cosplay is supposed to be fun. And your cosplays don't have to be perfect. They don't have to be 100% screen accurate. Mine rarely are. Feel free to leave any questions that you might have down below. And subscribe to join me on my cosplay journey, and we can try to learn these skills together and to navigate the vast world and landscape that is cosplaying together. Almost dropped my microphone, holy shit.